So most people solve this question like 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then again 6 minus 6 is equal to also 0. Now 0 times 0 is equal to 0, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So now PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, then one another subtraction. So first we have to solve multiplication, right? So now 6 minus 6 times 6 is equal to 36 minus 6. Now here we have subtraction and here we have subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 6 minus 36 is equal to minus 30 minus 6. Now minus 30 minus 6 is equal to minus 36. So the correct answer is minus 36, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.